మిత్రం అండ్ బంధువం మిత్రులారా వనక్కం స్వాగతం వెల్కమ్ టు సౌత్ ఏషియా మ్యాప్స్ education channel intellectual chatriya's channel your presenter Dr. J Reddy. Mitranam, we are continuing our Deva Bhumi series, that is Uttaranchal Uttarakhand series. This is part 17. In part 17, we are exploring a unique physiographic region of Devabhumi Uttaranchal called RAMGanga River, Paschim RAMGanga River, Western RAMGanga River. There are two RAMGanga rivers in Uttaranchal itself. We dealt before other RAMGanga, that is Purbi RAMGanga, here. That is the tributary of Sarayu River or Sarju River. That is a tributary of Kali River, Mahakali River or Sarada River. That is a boundary between Nepal and Uttaranchal Bara. This is the Purbi RAMGanga, Paschim RAMGanga. Most of the time when people say RAMGanga River, which is a tributary of Ganga River, this is what they will be referring to. They may not be using the term West RAMGanga. I have put it here for your clarity. Mitronam, and this is the our YouTube channel South Asia Maps JRD, and here you can see around about 600 videos, and these are all playlists around about 60 or 70 or so. Each has 10, 15, 20 unique presentations on diverse topics of Indology, human ecology, so on. You can go and explore them of the topic of your interest. South Asia Maps JRD. Mitronam, this is what we are looking today in our Uttaranchal series. That is, we have covered all these topics before. This is Dr. J. Reddy. This is the Uttaranchal province. We are in 17. We'll be looking at a unique drainage basin or water basin, river water basin, catchment area. Now part 17, West RAMGanga River Basin. See, in part 23, we'll be covering East RAMGanga River Basin. Mitranam, this is the difference between physiographic regions or physical geography compared to administrative political geography. This is the Uttaranchal province. You can see the districts and taluks here. And whereas if you see this, how the habitat or terrain physically looks like with reference to mountains, rivers, water bodies, and so on, this gives a deeper understanding of the land, habitat, terrain, and a good background on current socio-political development. So we are exploring the physiographic region called RAMGanga River Basin, that is Western RAMGanga. After some middle part of the presentation, I will take you through 2, 3, 4 different cartographic maps so that try to impress you about the uniqueness of this river basin. In part 0, Mitronam, we covered around about 27 physiographic regions of Uttaranchal. I have given a bird's eye view of that. You can go and look at that. And the current presentation, you see here, we are talking about 17 is the West RAMGanga River Basin. So essentially, we covered the Yamuna Tons River Basin and Alakananda Bhagirathi River Basin, and we'll be covering the Kali Nadi or Mahakali Nadi River Basin. This is RamGanga, Kosi, and Daula River Basin. So essentially, you can discern 4 river basins of Uttaranchal physiography. This is the same thing with little more information. I will walk over this with you, and later we will go and look at in detail in the various cartographic, physiographic maps. And if you miss anything here, you will get somewhere else. So this reddish blob is the western Ramaganga River basin. Ramaganga River is a tributary of Ganga Mata, that is eastern tributary or the left-hand tributary of Ganga River, 600 kilometers or so. Dudatoli mountain ranges is the origin, that is the middle Himalaya ranges like Missouri ranges, Nagadipa ranges, and Pir Panjals and Dauladars and so on. And it goes through the Jim Corbett famous national park that sandwiches previously used to be in Nainital district, now Nainital district and Pauri Garhwal district, and goes to the towns of Sherkot. It gets a tributary small river, Ko River, and goes through Shahabad town where it gets other tributary, that is the Kosi River. That Kosi is different from Sapta Koshi, that is the sorrow of Bihar in eastern part of the Bihar, Uttaranchal region. Then goes to Shahi town and Mirganj, and Gaula river joins there, and goes to joins Ganga river near Kanoj town, Kanyakubja and Ganga river. And the borders are the one of the articulated or expected capital of Uttaranchal, that is border to almost to eastern Kumanchal, Kumon region, western Garhwal, is the Gairsen town. The Gairsen town resides in the lower latitude of the river. Higher latitude of the river flows down the Gairsen town. That is supposed to be the future capital of Uttaranchal. Then goes to Moradabad town and Bareilly town and eventually to Kannauj. Landmarks are the RAMGanga Reservoir, that is in the Jim Corbett National Park, flows through Jim Corbett National Park, Moradabad town, and Raebareli town in the Katehar region, that is the Rohilakand. All the districts and taluks are Pauri district, that is the Garhwal, Pauri Garhwal, Almora district, and because in southern part I have covered Moradabad district, Bijnor district in the Rohilakand, and Chamoli, some parts of Chamoli district, and Garsen and Chevkutia and Dwarahat and Sult and Dhumkota and Lansdowne and Kalagar. These are the some of the tehsils or districts. That's the Ramganga River. Excuse me. So you have to again look at the landmarks because this is the Dehradun Shivaliks. That means west side, that is the Yamuna River. East side is the Ganga River. Very easy to remember. So this is the Bhagirathi, Alakananda. We will not deal with that anymore. So this is the Kali River, Sharda River, Mahakal, because east of Philbit town. Okay. Now this is the our western Ramganga River. You can see the Ramganga River here and Ramganga River here, here, and it descends into the plain at a town called Kalagar and goes to near Dampur town, Takudwara Taluk here, and goes next to the Moradabad town and Ramganga here, Ramganga here, and goes to next to Bareilly district, Bareilly town, and Ramganga river continues here, and this is the Shahjahanpur district, and Sukata river comes there. So Ramganga here, this is the Ganga river near Kannauj. Here the Kannauj, Kanna Kubja used to be the historic capital of Harshavardhana's kingdom around about 750 or so. Near that, the river joins Ganga river. That means downstream of the Farrukhabad Fatehgarh district, the river joins almost at the same place like Sukata river joins that comes to flows through the Philibit and Shahjahanpur areas. We have seen that river here. and it gets from a river called Ko River that comes from the Kodwara region. So here the Ko River joins here, somewhere here near in this place. We'll see in the other map. So we are see the Moradabad town, the river goes. You can see this is the Jim Corbett National Park. You can see here Jim Corbett. This is the river. This is the Ganga River. You can see that is the Hardwar area, Rishikesh or Hardwar area. So this is the river, and interior part is very complicated geography, the Datoli Mountains. So this is the river from Kodwara. See the Kodwara, the river, other river joins, and that is the Lansdowne area near Sharkot joins this our river, RamGanga River. So RamGanga River continues. RamGanga River flows west of the Moradabad town. In this Kashipur Rampur area, other river called Kosi River comes. That is also comes from the Sivaliks Babar Tarai region, essentially the farmer down southern part of Nainital district, now is called Udham Singh Nagar district. So that river, it gets the waters from that river near Rampur. So that is the West Kosi River. So the Ramganga River continues. You can see next goes to the Bareilly River. The Gaula River and all those rivers, and they join somewhere here, and RamGanga River continues, and Eril River joins here, and it's the RamGanga. So from the south of this Haldwani, all those areas, one more river comes, and east of Haldwani, Nanak Mata, those areas called Dioha Nadi, Dioha River, goes to next to the Filbit and Shahjahanpur towns. So Shahjahanpur town, Filbit, this is the Dioha River, Dioha Nadi, and both of them join almost near this the Kanauj town. So the Ganga River continues. So the Ganga River is the mouth of that one. So here, this also gives, so you have to remember certain landmarks. Always remember this is the Shiva Lakes, this is the Yamuna River, Ganga River, the Jim Corbett National Park. You can see Jim Corbett National Park means this is the river. The Ko River joins here. You can see here. Ko River joins Jim Corbett. That means this is the Delhi and Ghaziabad, Garmukteshwar. Then this should be our Moradabad town is on the so this is the Rampur, former princely state. And the river continues here. See, this is the Bareilly town. So this is the Aril River. This is the Aril River joins here. Aril River joins Ramganga here. So this is the Bareilly town. This is the Shahjahanpur town. And this should be the Filbit railway junction, Shahjahanpur town. This is the Dioha River. Dioha River here. So this is the RamGanga, this is the Ganga. RamGanga almost Dioha Nadi. Downstream the river is called Sukata River. So this is the RamGanga River that joins. This should be the Kanauj. This should be the Lucknow. This is the Kanpur. This should be the Hardoi town. So we have seen that. Yeah, we can see the very clearly this is the Delhi and this is the Ganga River. You can see the sorry, this is the RamGanga River. This is the RamGanga River. Ko River joins here. RamGanga. This is the RamGanga River actually. This is the Kosi River. Pashchim RamGanga. This is the Ko River. So RamGanga. This is the. You can see this is the Moradabad town, and you can see the Rampur, former princely state. RamGanga River. This should be the Bareilly town. Bareilly Jatnagar Veterinary Research Institute. So this is the Shahjahanpur. This is the Filbit. This is the Dioha River also comes. Yeah, this is the Ganga River, RamGanga River. This is the Dioha River. Downstream is called Sukhata River. Yeah, you can see the joining, and this is the Kanpur. So we can see some of the tehsils and what are the tehsils, because this is only just a map of Uttaranchal. We'll be missing some other parts, but we'll see that. Excuse me. This is the Dudatholi mountain ranges. The water divide between the Sarju River and RamGanga River, Western and Kosi River and Naya River, and so on. Garsen town is in the upstream part of the river valley. You can see this area entire. Garsen, Talasen, Sluitu, Kutoli area, and Bikasen, and certain parts, not all parts, certain parts of these taluks, they cover the region. So the river comes, and here it comes in this area, descends into. This is the essentially Bijno district area. In this part, Ramnagar, Kashipur, the river, that is the Kosi river, joins Western Kosi. In this area, Nainital, this Kashipur, this area, Daula river comes, or Gola river. And this is the Dio Dioha river comes from this area. So we can see the continuous taluks and tehsils. Remember, from here you get the Ko river from Kodwara region, Limestone region will be here. Yeah, this is where the river comes near Nagina, Dampur, those areas. The river has to go next to the Moradabad. So this area, Moradabad, Rampur, the river goes to close to Moradabad and Bareilly. That means Moradabad, Bareilly, this area. The river goes Moradabad, Bareilly area, and Moradabad, Bareilly area, Bareilly, Moradabad, Farukabad area. So from Sajahpur, Filibit area, Dioha river, that is Sukata river, also joins near Kanu, this area. These are the taluks, the catchment areas, river basin, but they are in uh, the Katehar region or Rohilakand region. Hope that will put you in the proper perspective of the fascinating 600 kilometers long, the RamGanga River basin. Next time we'll look at the West Kosi River basin. Thank you very much joining me. If you like the presentation, you can post your comments and bring the information to the notice of your friends. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Map.